What's up, guys? We got a snowstorm battle here for you today. First round is gonna be an obstacle course where basically we just run up, kind of do some things all around, go down the slide, hit that cone over there, and person with the slowest time is eliminated and doesn't move on to the next round. Let's do it. Woo! Your mark is set, go. Soft. Seconds for Nathan. That's gonna be hard to beat. Ready, set, go. A little quicker. Oh man. Jacob. Oh, the baseball player, but does he have the accuracy? Oh,
no, he's not a pitcher.
Oh, Johnny! Oh, he nicked it! 29.26. Nathan beat him by 10 seconds. It's competition day today. I had that trophy for 7 months, and I'm not trying to give it up. Oh.
I'm safe.
No. No. No.
Jacob is safe.
Ah.
Ah. Oh, am I safe?
No.
Dude, Ryan is failing. Oh my
exactly
God.
where I want to be.
In last place.
Oh dang.
He wants it.
I hit that.
Drew, will he get me out? Oh! Oh!
Oh my God, people!
That's disappointing. Losing to kids when you're a foot taller than them and like 3 years older, that's a confidence blow right there. But we'll be back.
Because he's a scrub. For the second challenge, Ryan's out. We're going to be doing dizzy backspins into a long jump contest. It's going to go in order from longest time to shortest time from the last round. So that'll be Drew, Johnny, and me to finish it off. Let's go.
Is that how you turn it on? I don't know how to turn it. Gotta be cold.
What are you doing, Nathan?
Jay Gibb with the bibs.
Do we have a measurement?
Yeah, it's your boy Jay Gibb with the bibs.
Make the measurement longer.
Jay
It's
Gibb
really
with the
long.
bibs. Jay Gibb with the bibs. Oh man. Oh man. How did that feel? Jay Gibb with the bibs. Am I right? So, Drew is in the finals between Johnny and Nathan. Oh, what a jump. He beat Drew with that. Woo, Johnny is out. Jake Gibb with the bibs. Wow. Nathan, what a performance. You have clinched a spot in the finals.
Me and Nathan in the finals. Let's
Dude,
go.
my whole world is spinning in circles.
Probably got a mild concussion, but you're all good.
Let's do this.
We've got Drew and Nathan in the finals. It's a classic face-off. 5 steps, turn, throw. First one to get hit 3 times is out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Throw! Oh! No hits in the first round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Throw! Oh! One strike for him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Throw! Oh! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Throw! Oh, Drew gets hit again! 2 strikes on Drew. He's gonna need a huge comeback. This could be it. 1, 5. Go! Up! Drew stays alive another round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go! Oh! Nathan is the snowstorm champion! I'm sad to present this trophy to Nathan. Are you sure you can handle this big of a trophy? Are you sure you don't need me to hold on to this for you?
What happened?
I kind of broke it when I gave it to you.
Let's go,
Snowstorm
baby.
champ, right here. Hey guys, thanks for watching our battle. I know this is not the outcome you wanted to happen. I know you really wanted me to win, so I'm really sorry for all my fans out there. I'll get the next one. Make sure you still like and subscribe, especially you, Jake. I love you, Jake. I miss you. Come back. Just kidding.
We got another video coming out, who knows when, because there's all this snow and no one has time.
Yeah. And make sure to check out our last video, Ping Pong Edition. It's gonna cover Johnny's face now that he's in the front.
And shout out to 6J Cap, Brian's true love.
Squad out.